नमस्कार हेडोनच्या या खासा एपिसोडात तुमकां सगळ्याक येवकार. आज आमचे बरोबर आसात GPCCचे नवे चीफ आणि गोंय जांकां परकिनी आनी जे गोंयाक परकिनी ते लुईझीन बाब फालेरो. स्वागत तुमचे. लुईझीन बाब, what is this? This is second innings, this is homecoming, or this is comeback of Luizin Falero? How would you describe it?
I myself don't know. Because I have not come out of my own will. As you are aware that this was requested to me by Congress President when I had told her that I'll retire way back in April 2013. Okay. That's exactly 1.5 years back.
Okay.
After the Karnataka elections results, I was feeling good. There was a feel-good factor. So I told her, now enough is enough, because I had great innings in Goa. I'm very proud that I got birth in this great land, given me everything. So my second innings was like a bonus for me in Delhi.
So what is this? This is a third inning or a homecoming?
This I don't know. This I would regard as a sacrifice for me, because if you get something from the soil, you get flowers, fruits, and when you
are speaking as if this is more of a burden than
when you get old, you shed its leaves to the roots and enrich the soil from where you got the nutrition.
So what are you saying? This is a burden
No,
more than an opportunity?
I think as a loyal congressman, I have accepted the request of the Congress President, Srimati Sonia Gandhi.
You denied this request number of times. Why you denied it in the past, and what made you accept it this time?
Earlier I had denied it because she did not want me to come to Goa.
Okay.
It is me who wanted to retire. She said, you must help us, and even now they feel that all the states which were under my charge, I was given 8 states including Karnataka.
Yes.
And out of the 8 states, God's blessings and people's support, we got government in 5 states.
Correct.
Including Karnataka. So I was doing work and they were happy with me, and it is, I would say, it's the blessings of God and blessings of the people.
But why did you deny the opportunities that time or the offers that time? What was the reason? Why you didn't want to come to Goa?
Everything in life is painful when you leave. My leaving Goa was a very painful and emotional decision. I took it and I said, okay, I will work for the party at the national level. Today I am happy, of course, that Mrs. Gandhi has given me opportunity to work at the national level. Your horizon, your outlook, your everything changes.
It was a very bitter decision. That election was also very bitter. त्या इलेक्शनांतल्यान भायर सरून दिल्ली वचप आणि दिल्ली वचून अशें वेगळे तरेन पॉलिटिकल करियर करप. How difficult it is and how changed is Luizin Falero now?
Well, at that time it was a bitter decision. At that time it was a very difficult decision. But I today thank God and thank those people who made me leave Goa. And
you're thankful to Chachilale.
Yeah, I'm thankful to whoever it is.
दुसरी गजाल म्हाका सांगात, गोंयाक येवपाचें जेन्ना डिसिजन जालें, पार्टी इज इन बॅड शेप. There is no coordination between the legislature wing and the Pradesh Congress Committee. तुम्ही एक्शन घेताले सिनियर लिडर्सांचे अगेन्स्ट, इनडिसिप्लिन लिडर्सांचे अगेन्स्ट, and there was too much bitterness. हो bitterness जेन्ना आज तुम्ही हँडल करपाक पळयतात, what is your priority? How are you going to do away with this bitterness? आणि काय जे तुम्ही डिसिजन, तुम्ही 2 गजाली सांगतात, युनिटी आणि डिसिप्लिन. ह्यो गजाली तुम्ही या बिटरनेस काढून कशी इम्प्लिमेंट करतले?
For me, unity and discipline, these are the 2 sides of the same coin. One cannot be alienated from the other. It is only when you have unity and discipline you can move forward to organize, consolidate the organization. So, how you bring them together? You can bring them together with showing a sword at them, or you can bring them together by showing a sort of a spirit of reconciliation.
So you are going to focus on reconciliation.
Yes.
बट रिकन्सिलिएशन करतना कांय गजाली ज्यो एक्शन घेवपाक सुरवात जाल्ली अगेन्स्ट सिनियर पार्टी लिडर्स जांणी इलेक्शना भितर पार्टीच्या अगेन्स्ट काम केलें और who did not cooperate with the campaign during Lok Sabha election. Would your approach be same towards them? Or तुम्ही खंय तरी स्ट्रिक्ट रावन एक्शन जाता ती एक्शन घेतले काय म्हणटले की सद्याक सगळे विसरुया आणि रिकन्साइल जावया देन वी विल सी इट.
No, I agree with you. Where there is discipline, the discipline is a must. And I had in my states political dissensions. Just like Goa, land of habitual, perennial, traditional defections, there are also defections in those states. I don't know, because this is a problem in most of the small states. But I didn't allow any government to be changed.
So you
we
will crack
maintain
down.
the stability.
So you
We
will
brought
crack
them
down.
together. And we found out why there is a.
So nobody should consider that the return of Luisin Falero is end of crackdown or there will be a free hand and there will be.
No, without discipline, you cannot move ahead. I'm sorry to say that, but you have to first give a chance, opportunity, explain them. And this is not a time to revolt. This is not time for indiscipline. This is a time for everybody to sacrifice. If I can sacrifice, why not you? Why not the other leaders? They have to come together, at least for the overall good of the state, good of the people, and good of the party.
फाटली 2 महिन्याक because that whole resentment was there against John Fernandez. Senior party leadership in Goa continuously तुमची नावा खातीर प्रेस करताले की we want you as the GPCC president. On that backdrop, GPCC भितर तांणी कांय ब्लॉक्स नवे फॉर्म करपाक सुरवात केल्ली, ताची लिस्ट काडिल्लें, तें मुखार धाडिल्लें. How are you going to deal with those issues which are already there on your table?
We have to take painful decisions. We'll have to take painful decisions. And I'm going to give them a calendar of activities for the next 3 months. I don't want anything more than that. And only when you put your house in order, then they can afford to do all this indiscipline and all. But today, discipline is the need of the hour.
What in the calendar of activities that you mentioned?
For me, the honor, self-respect of the loyal, humble congressman is of paramount importance.
So you'll go back to the
And if I
blocks.
don't respect him, then I don't deserve a respect.
So for first 3 months you will go back to the blocks.
I have to.
You'll
And
go
I
back to
have
the
to
blocks.
because this is what I have done once in Goa, you must be knowing.
Yeah.
I have to.
So that's why I asked you
Because
that question.
the honor and dignity and self-respect of a loyal, humble worker at the grassroots is of paramount
I think
importance.
त्याच खातीर विचारलें की right now the present GPCC is exactly at the same stage of reforming the block after dissolution. How are you going to look at that process? Are you going to take it ahead maybe in an amended form, or you are going to say ki I am going to
Shall I
reorganize all the blocks
Shall I
together?
tell you one thing? I sit in Delhi. I go only to every state once or twice in a year. But I make sure that whatever program, whether it's training program or whatever program, is done right from the booth level. So you cannot sit in Delhi and ask them to appoint the committees from Delhi top to down. It has to be down to top. And therefore, I have to know from the leaders, Baba, who are your booth leaders? You know, in every state I organize one convention which is very near and dear to me. It is the Booth Committee President's Convention. And they come in great numbers from every nook and corner of the state.
So तुम्ही बेसिक गजाल म्हाका सांगतात की तुमचो फोकस जो आसतलो, you are going to build blocks from bottom. You are not going to build blocks from the top. So that is going to be your basic
And
focus.
secondly, we had elected blocks. I think so, because there was an election. So I feel that we have to do a consultations, because maybe that your blocks have to change. Maybe, as you have said, that we have worked against the party in the last elections. So you'll have to do a little of introspection. You'll have to do a little of study. And you know, nobody can fool nowadays. I have got on the tip of my finger in Delhi the performance of every booth, and that is what we have got in Delhi. It may be Arunachal Pradesh, it may be Meghalaya, it may be Mizoram. If I want to know in which booth, in whether this parliamentary election, assembly election, how many votes we got, so I know how that particular booth president and booth committee has performed, and I salute them.
You are going to implement the same system.
I have to get all the details. If I can get it on my table in Delhi, why can't I have Goa's information on my
Sit
table.
in Goa and have it on your table.
Yeah, I'll get it tomorrow. Download it from Delhi. It's not a
दुसरी
difficult
गजाल जी
thing.
आसात की टिपिकल आमच्या गोंया भितर जाता विच यू नो की इलेक्शन आयलें की नवीन पार्टी फॉर्म जातात दुसरी पार्टी भितर वता टिकीट मागतात ब्लॅकमेलिंग सुरू जाता आनी खंय तरी काँग्रेसींतल्यान भायर वचप जाता आनी द रेग्युलर ट्रेंड इज मागीर काँग्रेसीक परत येवप आनी काँग्रेस तांकां सदांच सांगता की अवर डोर्स आर ऑलवेज ओपन टू गो एंड टू कम. How are you going to deal with this policy as far as your Goan contemporary politicians are concerned? Because they have always tried to exploit this position of Congress.
Congress party is an ocean. We might have lost the elections.
You will take
We
that
have lost
person back.
elections many times.
You will take that person back.
We have, because Congress party has to go forward. If the nation has to go forward, every political party has to go forward. If somebody is playing this truant of blackmailing, I think such people should not have place in the party. Because I strongly believe party is party.
You will not take them back.
I can't say, because I don't know who are taken
No, I'm
out
saying
and
I'm
who
just
are
giving you
taken
a-
in
I'm
and
saying
how
just a
you are this.
position.
Definitely I'll
I
have
have
to.
as a policy.
Because right now I'll tell you also, you see, having come to such a situation, I give you example of yesterday's this. You see, today I will like, even if I don't like somebody, I would like to embrace all the like-minded people. I might have made a mistake in my life. I'm not a perfectionist. Somebody might have made a mistake, and if he is ready to accept his mistake, and if you feel that mistake is okay, pardonable, then you have to embrace this all like-minded people and ask them to join the party, ask them to support the party, ask them to take the party to the greater height, with greater pristine
But at,
glory.
you know, at the same time, you are making it completely clear that those people who have blackmailed the party, exploited the position of the Congress, that you are always welcome. You will not tolerate such kind of entries in the party. Are you saying that?
I don't know. If you ask me technically, if somebody has done an unpardonable job, because you see, it is, I am going to take everybody into confidence, and I am going to tell them what is my policy, what is my program. If you feel that you can contribute, you can be part of this process, you are welcome. Otherwise, you can decide, because this is a democracy. In India, there are so many political parties, and every day they are mushrooming more and more. You can join them. I have no problem.
You will be open.
Yeah. And this is the best time, because we are now reached to a one-digit figure. This is the time we have an introspection. This is the time we take the young, dedicated people. This is the time you bring out your policies and programs. And
म्हणजे एक गजाल सांग म्हाका, फाल्यां जर तुमी अशें लोकांक परत भितर घेतले, इवन एज अ पार्ट ऑफ युअर रिकन्सिलिएटरी
कोण ते?
अशें ताणें ब्लॅकमेल करून गेले पार्टी किंवा डिच करून गेले ऑन द फेस ऑफ एन
No, I have not said that. I have not said that will be decided. And I have, and remember, in Congress, there is a rule which I don't know whether you are aware. If we take any MLA, if we take anybody, we have to take permission right up to the center. I cannot admit somebody who has ditched the party myself.
Your word carries lot of weightage.
I know, but my fortunately my high command knows me.